Welcome back. If you've been posting snaps to Spotlight but feel like the constant notifications are getting a bit too much, you're definitely not alone. The good news is that Snapchat makes it really easy to turn those alerts off. And in this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. First, go ahead and open your Snapchat app. Once you're in, look at the top left corner of your screen and tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon. This will take you to your profile page where you can manage all your personal settings. Next, in the top right corner, you'll see a small gear icon. Tap on that to open your settings menu. This is where Snapchat keeps all the controls for your account, including privacy, notifications, and more. Now, scroll down a little until you find the notifications option. Tap on it to view all the different alerts you can customize. Snapchat gives you quite a bit of control here, so you can decide exactly what you want to be notified about and what you don't. Once you're inside the notifications section, keep scrolling until you see the option labeled Spotlight and Snap Map Submissions. This is the setting responsible for sending you updates about your submitted snaps. To disable these notifications, simply uncheck that option.